What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol SPRT for support.com. On the left-hand side, we are looking at the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will be more of an update since we have covered it semi-regularly now on the channel in this period of time. And the update to bring you, of course, is the fact that we saw the gap fill reversal exactly as outlined in some past videos. So go back, watch it. You'll see exactly what we said. We were watching for hammer candles to print off of this $20 mark, and that's exactly what happened on Wednesday, followed up with a confirmation candle today, Thursday's session, to the upside. The next thing I'll point your attention to from the daily perspective is, of course, the increase in volume, nearly a double from what we saw in the prior day, and that, of course, is healthy as we continue to move forward. As long as volume remains elevated, I would be looking for a momentum move to happen in this name to take us up and into some of these upside targets. I know that arrow seemed a little aggressive here to 37.73, so let's talk about how this might unfold from the 30-minute perspective and give you some ideas as we go into the remainder of the week Friday, but more importantly early on next week. So looking at the charts here, 23.29 has to be the line in the sand to the downside now, simply because of the nature of this pullback right here and where this price acceptance happened, right? Because a lot of people, I'm sure, were accumulating shares in here. That's, again, if we break down underneath this obvious area where the breakout stemmed from, let me scrunch this up so you can see. So just noting that we had prior support, resistance, resistance, and then resistance right into the close on Wednesday. If we give that up, that's a signal to a lot of people that, hey, I should probably stop out and wait for the next setup. I kind of missed it from down here at 20, the round number, right? So I would imagine if this is violated, it sort of triggers stops and we move lower. So that's why the line in the sand is coming from 23.29 to the upside. What are you watching for here? Well, clearly the next key break and acceptance break is going to be up and over 26.37. If we can start spending some time above that, then that opens up the door essentially to 30.66. And as we know after that, that's where the more aggressive move comes to 37.73. So treat this one here at 30.66 as more of a signpost, right? If this is really truly going to be a momentum break, then if we get here, monitor, sort of ask yourself the question, okay, do buyers still look strong? Are the sellers sort of just taking profits? Or are they more aggressively selling? And then hold a piece to see if we can get into that 37.73. That's how I would treat this on the momentum break of that 26.37. Again, we talked about downside line in the sand here at 23.29. And of course, you do want to see volume remain elevated as this move unfolds to the upside. So those are my thoughts here. Things are looking pretty good. I would argue we see momentum continuation into the remainder of the week. If we do something like this very quickly through the lens of Fibonacci, where's the 38.2 on the entire day? It's underneath us, 25.29, which I also want to bring up the fact that, yes, I can see it's currently trading at 25, the round number in the after-hour session. So again, any hold here strikes me as healthy consolidation, looking for the break after that. Fibonacci's weren't of much use. I'd really rely more on structure at this point, given the nature of where this consolidation happened and where our resistance is coming from. So if you enjoyed the update, if you enjoyed the video, certainly let me know down below in the comments section or by giving a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.